Number 3 is integration by parts. It is reduction formula. The integration of cosine to the nx dx from 0 to pi over 2 is equal to n minus 1 over n from 0 to pi over 2 integration cosine n minus 2x dx. So we're going to apply this reduction formula to integrate cosine to the 5x dx from 0 to pi over 2. And that n is 5, so this is 5 minus 1 over 5 from 0 to pi over 2 cosine 5 minus 2 x dx. So that is 4 over 5 from 0 to pi over 2 cosine to the third x dx. When we're going to take this cosine to the third x dx, we're going to integrate that 0 to pi over 2 cosine to the third x dx, which is, and is now 3 minus 1 over 3 from 0 to pi over 2 cosine 3 minus 2x dx, which is 2 over 3 from 0 to pi over 2 cosine x dx. Then we're going to take this cosine x dx from 0 to pi over 2, integrate this. The integration of cosine is sine, so is the sine x evaluated from 0 to pi over 2, which is sine pi over 2 minus sine of 0, which is 1 minus 0 equals 1. Then the integration of the whole thing is from 0 to pi over 2 cosine to the 5x dx is equal to, it is 4 over 5 times this, and this one is 2 over 3, then this is 4 over 5 times 2 over 3 times the integration of cosine x dx from 0 to pi over 2, which is 1. Then this is 4 over 5 times 2 over 3 times 1, which is 8 over 15. Please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.